Hi, in this video today we're going to be replacing the rear wiper blade on a BMW iX3. This one has never been done before, so you can see how easy or hard it is. We're not going to be using any tools. The handbook refers to just pulling it off. So let's see how easy it is. So first things first, we're going to lift the wiper off the screen. And now we're supposed to pull the wiper down away from the arm. So we're going to hold the arm and forcibly pull the wiper down. There you go, so it does come out quite easy. And if we have a look here, you can see that's where it locates. So it doesn't matter which way around it goes, and then you just need to locate that in this little axle just here. So we're just going to locate that in, and then we're just going to use a bit of force to push it back in. Obviously you'll put a new blade on, we're just doing this for the video. There we go, and it makes a nice audible click, and that is now in position. So nice and easy to do. Thanks for watching.